Our mind is a wonderful gift. This is where we imagine, we learn, and form ideas. This is also where our emotions and feelings come from, along with how we move our bodies. Through meditation, we are able to rest our minds, our hearts, and bodies. We also meditate because we want to deepen our self-knowledge and connect with God. Meditation is a practice that is done by people in many countries, regardless of religion, beliefs, age, or gender. It is done anywhere, like at home, in places of worship, outside in nature, in offices, and even in schools. Through the practice of meditation, children in school will learn how to be compassionate towards their families, classmates, and friends. They will also be able to focus more on their studies. Do you want to try meditation? Join me! Listen carefully, and together with our teachers, we can easily do this. Let's begin by breathing properly. I'll start and then you follow. Inhale. Exhale. Focus on your breathing. When you hear the first sound of the gong, you close your eyes. On the second ring, you may now open your eyes. Are you ready? Let's start! First, sit straight. Second, place your hands on top of your laps. Third, put your feet firmly on the ground. Fourth, close your eyes. Now relax your mind, heart, and your body for 1 minute. Remember to focus your attention in your breathing. Now say the word ma, ra, na, tha, very clearly in your mind and heart, silently repeating it until the end of your meditation. Now open your eyes. How do you feel after the meditation? Can you share this with your classmates? Teachers, you may try to extend the duration of each session depending on the age of your students. You can also try this exercise at home. You may invite your parents, siblings, and friends as you meditate. I'm Marga. See you again! For more information on meditation, you can contact us on these numbers, or you can send us an email or messages on our social media accounts.